Congratulations on the purchase of your BodyPro Body Composition Analyzer. Did you know you're one of the very few gyms in India as well as on the face of earth that now has access to a BCA device that is also AI enabled. That's right. No other body composition analyzer right now has AI integration. What does it mean for you? We'll cover that slowly in this training. But first and foremost, let me welcome you on board. My name is Ritesh. I'm the founder of ActiveX. We started ActiveX almost 10 years ago now. So my goal for today is to firstly help you install your BodyPro Body Composition Analyzer and show you how we take the readings, okay? But then I want to quickly move on to the next bit, which is the most important bit of this entire ecosystem, which is we also call it the central intelligence or a gym dashboard. And the third aspect of this ecosystem is the members app. So first thing first, I want to show you how to take body composition analysis reading on your BodyPro device. So if you have purchased BodyPro together with the ecosystem, I will show you how to use that ecosystem to give diet and exercise plan to your clients, and also how to use AI to really stand out from those other gyms. But if you haven't purchased ecosystem, that's completely fine too. I will show you how to take the readings using our BodyPro Analyzer, how to share it with the clients, and then how to make sense of it. Okay, so there are multiple videos in this sequence. My goal for this training video is mainly to just show you the analysis and then show you how to use the ecosystem to create that amazing differentiation.